मेरे बॉडी को
Okay.
ड्रिंक एंड गिव मी. रुको जा, ठीक है, रुक जा.
Should I open?
Yeah.
Can I?
Oh.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
अभी वो जूस और ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay.
So you open like this. What is this? What is this? Oh my God. Wow. So this. Let's open this side also. This or this. So. It says Osmo Pocket Sport and Action. Okay, interesting. What is this? Oh wow, what is this?
Let's see.
Osmo Pocket. Okay, so this is how it looks like, right?
I do.
It looks like this. Okay, Osmo Pocket. Nice, nice. See, it's written DJI.
Yeah.
It's written Osmo. DJI Pocket. Okay. Looks such small. See, this is so small.
What?
There is Osmo Shield also.
So let's see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's go and see this. Okay. Let's open this. From where should open this? Should we open from here? Yeah. Open from here. Let's use this. Okay. It's opening up. Wait, don't break it.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's there. Arkoriba?
Yeah.
Okay, what is this? What's all this? Wait. Careful. Okay, it's like this. See? Let's keep it aside. Side Rokiba. Okay? See? So, wait. Bhangi Chipo. Wow. What is this?
Let's see.
You want to see?
Yes.
Let's open this. Yes. Oh wow, what's this? See?
What
What is
is?
this? Okay, we'll keep this. See, looks nice. Yeah. What is this? Let's see. This is, first let's keep it. This is the Osmo Action. Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, keep it. We will see. Once again. Okay, we'll keep all this safely. Then we will see. Right? So let's keep it here. First is, this is the Osmo Pocket Safety Guidelines. Interesting. This is the one book. Then you have another pocket. Show the pocket book, please. This is another book. This shows how to use Osmo Pocket. You see how it shows. Use the pocket carefully. Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see. Wait. What else is there, Baba? Oh, there is something here. What is this? You want to open?
Yes.
Let's open
This
this.
charger.
Oh, this charger. How do you know, Zen? You're a smart boy.
It's my boy. It's good.
Yeah. Come here and open. Come here and open. Oh, what is this? this. This is for the putting it as a hole. What is this? Open it here. Open it here. Let's open. What is this? Shut.
Ah.
Now let's open this Osmo Action.
Let's like it.
Yeah, let's do like this. Podichibo. Wait. Yeah, no, it's not okay. Oh wow. Wait. Oh wow. What is this? No, don't play with it. Bhangichibo. Don't play with it, okay? Don't play with it. Alright? See? Eta bhangichibo. Eta ko bahut careful use karo. Yes. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright. Keep it here. Okay? Let's see this one. Okay, keep it here. Don't.
See.
Don't open. Empty thou. Don't open it. Okay? See? Okay? We'll open it.
Yes.
On. Okay. Higla? Yes. Keep it there. Keep it here. Okay? Higla?
Aha.
1 second. Wait. Don't play. See? Oh, wait.
I not see.
Bhangichibo. Okay? Let's set up English. See? It looks like here. Okay? See, Zen. Hey, don't. Careful.
Check it.
Yes. Oh, wow. What is all this? Don't play with the head. It's a bhangichibo. Okay? Hold this only. Empty karo. Okay? Like it? Yes. Okay?
Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. Bhangichibo. Hatu podichibo. Careful.
Oh, this.
Okay. Give it to Papa. Thank you. Which one is it? No. It's a 9.
Eta.
Kariba. Okay. Alright. Eta. Okay, check it out. Look up.
Let's see.
Okay, let's see. Show to the camera. Wait. Use this. Okay. Yeah. Put this like this. Yes. Wait. Bhangichibo. Aste karibo. Okay. Do like this.
I do Alvin.
Slowly slide karo. No, bhangichibo. Slow. Zen. Wait. Okay. Bujigala?
This.
No, don't do this right now. Okay? Higla. Wait. Okay? Ita dekha? Let's see. It's totally charging. Okay?
Where shall I open? Where shall I open?
Wait, Zen. Pakaw ni tame. Let's keep it here. Let's see later. Okay. Let's keep it here.
It's good. Mama.
Sun is gone. Everything is opened up. Let's go and check. Check it out. small stuff. This is very tough choice. Okay, done. Fine. Let's keep it inside. See how it goes. So, this is how you keep it. Yeah. Nice to hold. Okay, so it was my first time with Osmo Pocket, but a few other things needs to be taken care of. Small stuff I suggest.